Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a Toyota Camry XSE. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in pre-dawn gray, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 riding on 19-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your aggressive black grille. We also got parking sensors all around the vehicle, turn signals on the side mirrors, and a proximity smart key system which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Camry and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock buttons. Those are trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. This Camry does have a proximity smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket and the vehicle is locked, just put your hand right in there and that'll unlock for you. Taking a look in the door first, on the bottom you have some storage space, and above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Of course, we have all-weather mats equipped all around this Camry, and if you take a look on the bottom, you have your power seating adjustment buttons. Now let's hop inside. It is a push start. Just put your foot on the brake and press that engine start button behind the wheel there. We'll take a look at the left side of the steering wheel first. This cluster right here will allow you to navigate through your multi-information display located right up top, like so. You have all the various options up there. Underneath you have your volume options, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition system. On the right you have your Toyota safety sense with radar, dynamic radar cruise control, and lane departure alert. And you have your cruise control speed settings right next to that. Last thing to look at on the steering wheel is your paddle shifters right behind the wheel. Moving on to our screen here. Right now we are on home. It's got this split screen going with any audio that might be playing, any device that might be connected. You can also press audio and go to source. You can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB, CD, Bluetooth, and auxiliary. If we go into reverse, you do have a backup camera and a 360 bird's eye view. Underneath is your climate control system. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. Moving down, you have your key wireless charger. If this button is on and the light is green, that means you can just place your phone right there and that'll charge right up without any cables. Here is your 12-volt outlet, your USB and auxiliary. Moving next to the shifter, you have your 2 cup holders. Behind the shifter, you have your different drive modes, including eco mode. And lastly, you have your driver and passenger heated seats. Center console opens up nice and easy. Lots of room in here. And lastly is the passenger side. Before we open the glove box, you can see there is this nice blue lighting. Lots of room in the glove box as well. But now we're going to close that up. Before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. On the bottom we have some storage space, just like the driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats here as well. Behind the front passenger and driver's seat, you do have these little pockets for some extra storage. And if we pull this down, you do have 2 cup holders and a nice little armrest. So to open up, all we got to do is hold this third button on the key fob and that trunk will open for us nice and easy. Plenty of cargo space in this Camry. Of course, we have these sides that tuck in, providing some extra bit of space. If we pull this up, you do have your tools to change your spare tire in case that ever goes out on you. And your spare tire is right underneath. To close up, just give it a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota Camry XSE. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, and Bluetooth compatibility. There's still a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.